Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. We're getting ready to start on November during the holidays. Will be coming up for Thanksgiving and everybody. So now I'm going to be doing this morning. I'm going to be doing a 3 ingredient banana bread, and I hope you are having a wonderful day today. This is getting close to the weekend, and I will be telling you that
It is the weekend. It is the
it
weekend.
is the weekend. So I will be telling you about how I'm going to be making the banana bread with the 3 ingredients. Whosoever shall lose his life for my sake and the gospel, the same shall save it. Mark 8:35. Thy Lord are good and ready to forgive and plenteous in mercy. 86:5 Psalms. Thank you. Okay, I have 5 bananas here and that I'm going to be smashing up. They are extra ripe. Okay, I'm having to mash them up with the whisk and the 5 bananas. I'm going to mash them up, and they are supposed to be extra ripe. Give me a spoon over there. I'm not very good at sitting down doing this. I have a can of condensed milk. I'll pour the milk in first and the spoon. Sometimes this milk is awfully hard. The condensed milk is awfully hard to get out of the cans.
Okay, y'all. She got 2.5 cups of flour she's going to put in.
Self-rising.
Yes, and it has to be self-rising. That is rain, y'all hear. If y'all hear it in the background, it's raining real hard right now. Tell them that they hear that.
Turn dark out there. There's a storm coming. Good, man.
Yeah, she's gonna put a little vanilla in there. It's not. It's optional.
Not putting in much, just probably about a half teaspoon. And let me get my walnuts. I'm going to put walnuts in there. So, hailing?
No, it's not hell. It's just rain.
Is that right? Pull the windows down over there.
Also, y'all, walnuts are optional. We just like walnuts in our banana bread. And I know some people have nuts allergies and stuff.
All right, and I've already greased the pan with butter.
Y'all hear all that noise? It's raining. It's raining real bad.
It done turned completely dark out here. So, okay.
And she's putting it in the oven 350 for 45 minutes. We'll be back once it's done, y'all.
Okay, this is my final presentation of banana bread with 3 ingredients. So now this is beautiful, you guys. So now you all can see it. And it only took about 1 hour to prepare it. In a 350, now it may not, your oven may be different from mine. So when I say 350 or whatever, yours may take longer, or it may not be as long. Everybody, a cook stove, a gas stove, an electric stove, all of them are different. So sometimes he would ask me again, what should I cook it on? I might tell you that, but that's what I cook mine on. But a lot of times the other stoves are different. So you have to just take your toothpick, stick it in there, and you'll find out for yourself. That's all I can suggest to you. But this is three ingredients. Only had 5 bananas, 1 can of condensed milk, and I had maybe like just whatever amount of walnuts that I wanted to put in, and 2.5 cups of self-rising flour. It doesn't matter the name of the flour. It just has to be self-rising flour. 1 can of condensed milk, self-rising flour, 5 bananas, and beat them up real good. I did put just a few drops of vanilla flavor in mine. And now you can put, if you want to, you don't have to. And I put about 1/4 cup of walnuts in it. You can put pecans, walnuts, chocolate chips, whatever you would like to put in it. So don't pay no mind. This is just a sample of what I'm showing you. Okay, so I'm going to cut me a little slice right now. I put me a little butter on the fork because I like to put butter on mine. So I'm going to cut it on this end. Right. I don't know. I'm trying to cut it where y'all can see it better. It's gonna on this. Should have got a bigger knife, and I didn't. Okay. All right. Now this is in there with the walnuts. Can you see it pretty good? Oh, okay. Okay. The softness of it. Let's see if it's going to be all right. So I'm going to cut a little piece here. It's still a little hot right now, but I'm going to cut me just a little piece for myself. I should have had a bigger knife, but I did this one, so I just started cutting it with the one I had by me. Okay. Oh, this is the way it looks. Of course, this is banana bread. This is not a cake or anything. It's bread. I did put a little butter on for it. I like mine. I like it when it's hot, so you see my butter is melting. So this is the way I like it. I'm just going to take a small bite. Very good. Very, very good.
Yeah, it's very good. Very good.
And the texture is just right for bread.
It's very good, y'all. Not old sweet or anything. Very good. Very, very good. Just enough sweetness.
Mm-hmm. So thank you so much. And this is Miss Lena's Kitchen with the banana bread with 3 ingredients. And so I hope you will try it. Everybody likes banana bread. It's good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can even make a sandwich out of it if you like. So thank you so much, and I'll see you later on the next video. Bye now, with all my love, Miss Lena's Kitchen. Bye-bye.